Yeah, man. We are live. We are in a game. It's tournament day, biggest stream of the week, folks. Check the pinned comment to get involved. You definitely want to play the tournament today. We had a lot of players last week, man. It's going to be huge. Osler, welcome back. Dude, good to see you, man. We played D4 here, right? Yeah, I think so. I think so, guys. Whoa. Takes the pawn. You know why I think he might take both pawns? Because we haven't seen it in a long time. Full Orsov Gambit here today, folks. You ever do that? You just guess based on what they're going to do? It's Urusov Gambit. The unbeatable Urusov Gambit. There is a video on YouTube called The Unbeatable Urusov Gambit. Check it out. And the reason they say it's unbeatable is because they analyzed it for white to be a... Okay, what do I do here? I take. I hope. He could do a dumb queen check. I could play king f1. Crazy, right? But I think I can. Bishop check, pawn push, pawn takes. Maintaining the initiative. Right? Right? You guys remember that idea? YouTube, hey Darian, how you doing? Welcome back. Welcome back. You playing a tournament today? Who's playing a tournament today? Guys, you got to get involved. He plays the check. Now we play c3. He could then play queen e7. He probably wants to. King f1 could be the move, but then he's just going to castle. If I do... I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this one. This one's kind of fun. Right? The bishop comes back, and we make a Castello, and then we make a pin. And we make him sorry. We make him sorry that he ever put his bishop here or here. Yeah, I know my position's kind of jacked up, guys, but there's an idea. It's an idea. It's an idea, guys, and we're gonna try and work this idea. Okay, he wants to come to a square. I think... Oh, he may come to this square, hitting my pawn twice, and then wanting to take. Can I attack this? Oh, no, but this is pin, though. Bringing a rook is probably a good idea. Bringing the knight can't come to defend this pawn. It would need to get to one of these squares, which it can't get to. I can't... I'm not going to be able to give him this bishop, man. It's too much. I think we just develop. With ideas. I have ideas, guys. Simpliste, how you doing, man? Welcome back. Welcome back. Greeting your fellow chillers. That's a good way to come in, man. He comes in strong. Greeting his fellow chillers. That's a good thing. That's the way we do it around here at Charlie Sardo Gaming. I'm just trying to get my pieces out. Okay, he brings the rook, right? Now, I think we connect our rooks and control the square that we're looking for. Hits the bishop. I can come back to d3 and then play c4. It's a manunu. It's a manunu. f7 is looking kind of weak, though. Is that kind of juicy, guys? Do we want to leave the bishop on this diagonally? Knight comes back. He can't take because the knight's pinned, so he wants to unpin the knight. But if he shove, we might be in position just to go ahead and sack. Do you know that? Guys, you think I'm kidding? I could bring a rook, take the file, and lift. Queen's already set. The bishop is poised. We're doing it, guys. We're playing a game of... What's it called? Rapid chess. I'm moving a little quick. I only have... Yeah, I'm probably actually moving too quick. Hi, bro. How have you been? Prashant, I've been wonderful. How are you, my friend? How are you, my friend? Who was watching Bullet Chess today, man? I was watching poor Bortnik get destroyed by Andrew Tang. And I saw Arjun. Who was Arjun playing? He was playing, I think, a Chinese grandmaster. I don't think it's a Wei Yi, though. It was someone else. Watched a little chess this morning. There's a grandmaster. You were watching Arjun? Okay, yeah. We looked at this. Okay, now we must come back. Or do we come back here with a threat? We come back here with a threat. Knight takes check. King moves somewhere. My bishop has to come back. He doesn't have this. I think we just come back and start bringing rooks. Where's his bishop going to go? To d7? Maybe to d7 and c6? This could be a reasonable idea for him. Right? It could be a reasonable idea, guys. Just be a master. Just develop your bishop and play c6. Attack my pawn. After takes, bishop takes. Look at his bishops. They look very strong like bull. Ding is back. Dude, I'm telling you, man. You gave him a free pawn. Prashant, I don't know if I did. I don't know if I did because the knight is pinned. Oh, he would, though, have bishop takes check. This doesn't do anything. This knight is just kind of in the way. I'm going to do this so he can't get a pawn. You understand, if bishop takes, knight takes, if he plays knight takes, I just play bishop takes. I think we're doing this now. Bishop takes, I play knight takes. Bishop comes back, I kind of don't like. It's rather defensive. I was kind of looking at, you know, the tenderness. The love and tenderness, guys. In the posizione. Ding is back. Dude, I commented on one of the Chess Base India videos about how it was so good to see Ding smiling again, something like that. Okay. I feel really good about this because now any of these tactics are gone. Knight takes, bishop takes. I took a piece, he got a pawn. Bishop check, king takes. Takes. And, you know, we're okay. The bishop is protected. The question is, I could play c4 with a threat. C4 threat and c5. You guys didn't see that move. It's grand. He can't take it, guys. He can't take it. Don't you love it when they can't take it? Now, the question is, if I come back, I might need to sack. Knight takes, bishop takes. Bring a rook. Okay, I already took care of that. I probably don't have enough. Oh, but queen d3 and bishop is pretty strong. If he pushes, I think I'm going to play knight takes, bishop takes. I really am, guys. I mean, I'm doing it, guys. I'm doing it. Okay, now he needs to unpin. Oh, I'm threatening queen. No, I'm not threatening queen check yet. But c4, if I can get this open, I can make a queen check. So there are threats here, guys. There are threats here. Push has a big threat. He might just have bishop e7. But then we might be able to play rook over and take the bishop. Maintaining the pin. The queen comes. Rook. Okay. I'm gonna come here. He could be threatening to come in, guys. He could be threatening to come in. Queen. He can go to any one of these squares. Do we trade? Oh, it's not the problem, guys. The real problem here is I could play queen back, let his queen in. No, he can't abandon the knight. He can't abandon the knight because I'm just going to take it. Queen here does nothing. Now I have this threat, this push, and this check. There's no way! Is there, guys? I'm shutting chat off, guys. You guys are too strong like bull. One of you guys is going to say the move I didn't see that's winning, and then I won't be able to play it because that's cheating, and it could be a whole thing, guys. Chat is off. My monitor, I can't see chat. I can't see it. Can't see it. I can't. Okay. Electric sports bra. Dude, what a great idea. Electric sports bra. I was worried about the queen coming in, guys. I just take the knight. This could be a move. Then I can pin. Bishop takes check. Those are good trades for me because he loses a piece. The king comes! Okay. I can't bring in a rook yet. I can't bring the rook yet. Oh, if bishop takes, I can win a piece this way if he doesn't take with the king. Pinning, I can't even come here. I could play queen back, then he has this move. This is a threat that I want to utilize in my home games. I don't know how, guys. This just gets back ring mated, guys. That's bad. Get that out of your head. We're not doing that. This could be a move to maintain the threat. Save the rook. I want to do this, but this just works. This doesn't do any. There's not enough to give the rook up. F4 is dumb. Get that out of your brain. Okay, I sacked a piece, right? So what are my goals of this position? To maintain tension, to have piece activity. He has a weak king. Now he is threatening to bring the queen in because this isn't hanging anymore. But I can't attack it anymore. It could have something to do with this move. Bishop takes. What about queen f5? Again, he could just come here. And where does my queen go? Nowhere. This move allows me to bring a rook. So I'm going to do it. I think this is the only way to keep the initiative, guys. Is this Stockfish, guys? You guys watching? You guys can't. When you, I guess you can go on chess.com and follow me and then watch with an engine, right? Or no? I don't even know. I have to be careful not to put my queen on a square. See, I almost played this, but he can maybe... No, it's pinned. If bishop takes, I bring the rook. He could trade. He could trade the queen for the two rooks. Here's the deal. His queen is kind of helping defend stuff. Neither of my rooks play, right? One of his rooks is already active. So, I'm trying to think positivity. I don't know. I don't know what to do in this position, guys. This might have been the move. It might be the human move. I mean, Stockfish would probably say I'm losing. I don't know, though. There are positions very similar to this in the Ursov Gambit where you do sack that bishop when they play g5. Or no, you sack an h6. Yeah, when they play h6, you sack an h6. Yeah, so that position is different. There are weird things where, like, if the queen comes here, or like, let's say to this square for some reason, and the king comes up, I can check with the bishop, and if the king takes, my queen can go behind, check. And that's probably mating. That is guaranteed checkmating. He takes, right? Now, I come here, and what does he do? He comes back, and then I don't have my move. And he's threatening. Which rook do we bring? I don't think it matters, because I think he's probably going to sack. Takes, he plays king takes. And then I have nothing. So do we go for the imbal, guys? Do we go for the imbal? That helps him unpin his queen. But then I can pin his knight. This pawn falls, saving his life. I could bring a rook. He just comes back. And I sacked... I mean, hey, you know what Geary said? You sack the pawn, sack another pawn. It doesn't matter. You know what I'm saying? Like, you're already down a piece, sack another piece, huh? Right? You're either going to win or you're either going to lose, folks. Get in a tournament, guys. Who's in a tournament? The tournament's been getting great results, guys. There's a pinned comment. You join Chess Chillers on chess.com to get in the tournament. Here, the thing I don't like about this move is he just comes back. And then he's still threatening this. You know what I'm saying? So I think we go for the scenario. The problem is he may not trade the queen for two rooks. He could come to this square. And would that take care of it, Hare? I don't know. This maintains the pressure. One thing about these rooks, if we can ever get to the king can't run. That's good. Now I want to come back to chat. No, you guys already solved it. You guys probably solved it, like, just resign, right? Should I just resign? Maybe I'll blunder right here. Maybe I'll take the pawn with this knight. Oh, that would be so nice. Blunder. Electric Sports Bra, just blunder. Give me the game. Make it easy. Make my life easy. Is it wrong for streamers to beg for rating points, guys? Well, first off, that would be ratings manipulation. It would be Electric Sports Bra manipulation. We can't do that, guys. This is something we cannot do. This I cannot do. See, because, yeah. But now when I come here, I have threats. We can't lift the rook. I can come to f5. The knight is no longer pinned. This move feels like a good move. Knight takes is the problem with it. Queen, knight takes, pin, takes, gives up the file. I need to be like Eric Rosen, guys. Eric would be totally, but see, he sees more tactics, guys. Eric is a little bit better of a chess player than me. But that doesn't mean I can't be inspired. Queen f5. Knight takes. Bishop back. Could be the way. Is that the way? Okay, queen f5. Knight d5, bishop c2. And it stays on this too. And then we have stuff. Then we can take, check. King back. Another idea is to head for this square. And then... And another idea is to pin. Maybe pin this way so knight takes, it doesn't hit my queen. He can't play knight takes. Oh, he can because his knight's not pinned anymore. He can take with this knight. No, he can't. It'll be pinned. But I want to come to this square. But I want to do this. I'm asking too much of my queen. And then, like I said, queen f5 stays on the knight. It's not pinned. He can play knight takes. Bishop back, queen g6. And he's okay. So I think we got to stay on the pin. I could bring a rook and hit the bishop. How does he defend it? What about bringing a rook? He plays rook takes rook. We already talked about this. We didn't talk about that, though. But, I mean, you understand what I'm trying to say here, guys. Oh, man. I'm all over the place with my calculations, guys. And they're not Eric Rosen approved, guys. He probably approves that I'm trying. Keep the pin. If he plays king up, I think we push. And then we have bishop back. Keep the pin. Knight takes. Oh, but I was trying to do this. I think I'm losing. This brings a piece. Right? It brings a piece, guys. Something to consider. The problem is he's going to be able to lift the rook once this drops. I said queen f5, he plays knight takes. Bishop back, he could play queen to this square, and then I can't even move my queen because he'll drop my bishop. Oh, maybe not, though. Yeah, definitely will. So I think the queen line is not the maneuver because of knight takes. Bishop back, queen. Oh, he can't do that, though. Oh, yeah, well, if I play bishop back, because I was going to say I might be able to get a piece here, but then this thing will probably hang. Takes. Let's look at takes. Takes. King takes. I could come over here. If he... I might need to play rook takes first. No. Takes. Guys, I'm going to lose on time. Takes. Hey, what was that, man? Takes. King takes. Queen. If he brings the rook, I have no checks. Here he plays knight takes. I don't know what to do. Hey, you know what it is? I think I have nothing. I say we keep. The queen's on. Oh, dude. That right there was a game-losing choice. Spending all my time. All my time. Wow. This is why I love standard classical chess, guys. Classical chess is so... It just... If you like chess, why don't you want to find the truth? Right? If you love chess, why don't you want to find the truth? Because you just want to move. You want to do a knight fork. You want to win or lose and start another game, which is good. I do it. Guys, I play bullet chess at night. I do play bullet chess at night, folks. I'm not guilty. It's just a different skill set. This knight takes... He plays knight back. Protecting. Now... We could bring another rook. Then he would maybe give the file. I have this move now with threats. Right? Like, literally. King F8. Bishop H6 mate. Oh, no! That trades queens. Get that out of your head. I could bring the last rook. This knight is still pinned. Queen takes. We bring the last rook. Rook takes, we still get the file. He doesn't have rook over because the knight is still pinned, so I can play rook takes if he tries to contest. I think I'm in trouble, guys. Will I get out of this, guys? It's important not to blunder. We're down a piece because we sacrificed, not because we blundered. The problem is I can't lift the rook. Move your queen somewhere. If queen takes pawn, this might be the move. He might have this. Or this. No, this wouldn't work. He might have something like that. And then there's no double check, guys. Well, there's a double check, but there's no... Oh, wait. Yeah, oh, wait. I gotta remember, I can't come here. I trade queens. That's bad. Oh, I said if queen takes pawn. If queen takes pawn... Come here, and if the knight comes... We can attack it. And if the other knight comes, we can... take it. With check. I'll then be on this square. I don't have this square, though, because it's queen. It's getting kind of hard, guys. It's getting kind of difficult. He just takes. Wow. This might be the move. Do you know that? Attack, hitting this knight, and then lifting the rook. He's on my bishop. He's on my bishop. So now I have to go this route. My opponent's playing very well. Electric Sports Bra, first off, you have a funny name. I would love to ask our opponent, Electric Sports Bra, ¿qué significa? What does it mean? He's going to be scared, guys. He's going to be scared. The knight's not pinned anymore. The knight can come, I think. I might be able to attack, though. Because the bishop, the check, because the bishop, and I could be trapped over there. There could be, I just saw a weird perpetual that could happen, guys. It's going to happen? No. No, but these are themes. They're just themes. I don't want to say too much because I'm paranoid, guys. Not because I'm mentally ill, because I drink too much coffee. And when I stream on chess.com shows my stream and it says, you're playing a guy who's streaming right now. Click here to stream snipe him. My opponent would never do that. Electric Sports Bra is not that kind of guy. This guy's legit. Queen D6. If he plays Queen D6, he trades queens, guys. I got nothing. I got nothing. What do? He can just force it to trade a queens, guys. So I'm not sure what to do. Because I think I'm threatening to come here and look at the knight. And threaten the lift. So we need to trade queens now. Don't you guys agree? Dave Joyce, is he here? I don't even know who's here. I don't even know who's watching right now. Hey, Shanghai Kid. Boy, I finally read a word. Shanghai Kid, thank you for the follow on Twitch, man. Love you, brother. Cam, thank you for the sub on YouTube. I appreciate you guys. If you're watching on Facebook, hit the like button and the follow button. YouTube, like and subscribe. Twitch, follow, and you definitely want to hit the heart. Is there a heart? Is there a like on Twitch? I think there is. Or is that just a follow? I don't even know. Even better, guys. We do monthly chess workshops. I have 30 seconds. We do monthly chess workshops, guys. You guys don't know about that. For supporters on Facebook, subscribers on Twitch, and members on YouTube only. It's private chess stream. And we pull up one of your games. You know what I'm going to start doing, too? I'm going to start playing some not guess the ELO. I'm just going to be play the viewers. I'm going to play supporters, subscribers, and members. The people that pay the bills here, folks. Now, this could be a path toward the draw. With this check and check. Or that no. Wow, that would be checkmate. Oh, I just saw checkmate, guys. It's always like there's no forced checkmate here that I see. But when you just start seeing checkmates, that's a good sign. It's like when you start seeing losses, that's a bad sign, right? He's using his brain! This is horrifying, guys. We need coffee. I can't make coffee. There's no time. Is the coffee cam open? It's semi-open. We're... If you've never seen a coffee cam, folks, it's a sight to behold. And you're going to see it. We need water, guys. Guys and gals. It's such a bad habit to say guys. There's gals, too, you know. This guy is so smart. This guy is so smart. I mean, excellent connection, very low lag. I was kind of hoping he might, you know, he might make a mistake. Brings the rook. Oh no, he has queen e6 trading queens. Or he could just play queen e5. He could take the pawn. He really could take the pawn. He took the pawn, guys. This is insane. Now I think... Oh, because he's on my bishop. Check. Check. I think he gets away. Another thing, this square is going to be tender, guys. It's going to be tender. Oh, I got my queen! That's what you get for being low on time. I'm going to resign. He has too much time. We're going to look at this game. Get in the tournament. Oh, my God. What just happened, man? What just happened? Watch me have, watch me be losing the entire game and have, high accuracy because still not working. What's not working? Michael, yeah, they might have taken Followage away. I have no idea. Bostrom, how you doing, dude? Welcome back, man. Michael Allen. Yeah, is Follow Age not working, guys? On Facebook anymore? Was there Force Mate, Calvin? When I was a kid, I used to play chess, but after I went to Princeton, I have lost touch. Ah, you got too busy, huh? Does Queen E6 not lose? Yeah. Nico, I was trying to trick him. Hi, bro. Okay, got that. I saw you, Prashant. Yeah, okay, I got all you guys there. Catching up. Tron, welcome back, my friend. My rapid rating is generally so low. The players I face in matchups are just ridiculous. Bullet is the complete opposite. Buck said, I bet from this guy's perspective, you look like you're stalling. Dude, no way. Oh, well, I mean, we know I wasn't. Charles Hamilton. Well, the shorter the time controller, the more tactics work, even if I sound, which is fun. Unsound, right. Hello, hey. Python Engine. Python Eng. Game review. How do I draw my queen? Okay, we're gonna look at the numbers, guys. The numbers tell everything. Get in the tournament. Oh my God, wait. Yeah, 59% accuracy by me. And I was winning at one point. Oh, at the end. I was winning. Yeah, I was winning. Let me get to the tournament. And we'll come back and look at this game. Play online. Because, guys. Okay. I'm in the tournament. We got AFM Kirby. We got myself. We got X-Ray Doomsday. And we got Troll. Guys, get in the tournament. Chess Chillers. There is a link, a pinned link. Chess Chillers. Join Chess Chillers on chess.com. If you're already a member of Chess Chillers, it's free. It's just a group on there, like you follow a group on Facebook or something. Join our club on chess.com. It's free. And then called Chess Chillers, 2 words. Just how it sounds. And then join the tournament. Yeah. Taper Mike, was there a stream yesterday? I'm a Twitch subscriber, but couldn't find it. Taper Mike, forgive me, but I could not make it yesterday. I could not make it. I needed a day, man. Okay, let's look at that game and see where the mates were, guys. And see if some of the other moves were better. That's my own stream, guys. See, look at that. Comes right up on Twitch, guys. I'm world famous. This guy played 1 percentage point more accurate than I did, and we both played horrible. Might not be mate. No, I'm winning. Good queen set direct. Dude, I full Botez'd it. I've seen the Botez sisters in real life, guys. With my own eyeballs. Me and Feeding Master David Bassett. Okay. I had 2 great blue moves. I had 2 blunders. The queen And sacking the bishop, probably. I had 3 misses. Oh my god, 3 misses. Knight f3. On d5, ed5, check. c3 is the move. And then, I'm telling you, who's supposed to play queen e7 check. I told you guys. He takes. Now. Oh, I have queen a4 check just winning. I had check winning. Is it winning? No. Oh, I just castled. This pin is still there. Oh, he can take. Rook d1. cb2, bishop b2. Bishop e6. Takes. Takes. This is just like very, very slight advantage. But I had queen check. I'm glad I didn't play it because I like my move here. Dude, bc3 is like the 5th best move. It likes taking with the knight. I take it with the pawn because it gives me a tempo, initiative. Just castles. Okay, now bishop g5. I played the bishop g5 maneuver. Knight, bishop h4, rook e1. Knight bd2 is the 3rd best move. It's not a whole lot worse. 8. Okay, rook over. Queen c2 was the best move. Knight comes. Bishop b5. Ooh, I didn't see it. Bishop b5, bishop d7. c4. We have space. And black is ever so slightly better. I came back. Bishop comes. h3. Come on, baby. Think harder. It wants c4. But this is before I sacked, guys. This is before I sacked. Takes. h6. Bishop h4. g5. Let it think. Let it think, guys. It's the 3rd best move right now, but it's still better for black. The best move was just bishop g3. 2nd best move is c4 because I'm threatening to win a piece this way. The sack was not good. But the best move here is g3 or rook a d1. What did I play? Is c4 even on the list? It's not. Because queen e5 hits the bishop, stops the pin. Yeah, now. c5? Guys, I found it. Did it work for Rhodes? It didn't work for Rhodes. Rhodes, not Rhodes. Rhodes. Rhodes, how you doing, brother? Dude. I found the best move. This is the kind of stuff that you can find in slower chess. You can find the beautiful move. c5. Threatening to win a piece. Therefore, he has to take. And then it's torn. It's torn. It's so torn, guys. I considered bishop f6. I considered queen c3. It wants oh yeah, I did that so I could play rook fd1. It wanted rook ad1. Wrong rook. It's always a wrong rook, folks. And then it wants him to go. And knight e4. Hitting. Check king. f4, g3. We're playing, and black is still better. Black is still better, but look at his king. And I have bishops. So, I mean, that because I did sack a piece, and it just wasn't enough long-term stuff for it. But we're going to see where I was winning. Queen C3. No. Knight D7. He found the best move. He worked hard, guys. He really thought. A3 at once. What a crazy, crazy maneuver. Oh, I never saw he was ready to this. Well, he's not really, because we can check. And then knight takes in what? Yeah, he had bishop b4, guys. He had bishop b4. I didn't see it. That was a pretty big miss. Queen g3 is the best move. I played it. Rook over. Now it's +3. After rook ad1. Now I'm winning. Okay? Nothing like reviewing your games and just feel stupid by the chances you missed. Retro gaming, man. It's humbling. We got to stay humble. How long till a tournament, guys? 13 chess.com minutes. Hey, Charlie. Okay, I got that. I get the Charlie. Okay. Yeah. So here, in this position, he takes. Now it's mate in 4. Oh my God. Check. King h8. Queen h4 check. Can't come to this square because rook takes. Oh no, because it's mate. Is that simple? I took, and it's only +4. Takes again. I'm winning with queen c3 check. Look at the check, guys. Queen c3 check. King g5 f4. No, just rook takes d7, and we're still. He's still in a lot of trouble. Wow, guys, that mate. I didn't see it. Bishop c1 check. I mean, he can do this, but I think it runs into the same thing. King f8. It burns like fire. I mean, literally, it burns like freaking fire. Like, I don't think I'm being hyperbolic here. I think it literally feels like fire is burning me right now. That's how bad I feel. But I had 36 seconds. Seed command. I wanted that game so bad. I'm starting to want games more. That's good. I say trust the process. Study chess. The wins will come. You just got to move this bishop out of the way, man. These are all mate in 4. If I move the bishop to any one of these squares, and it's mate in 5 if I use this one. Those are all my checkmates, guys. Bishop anywhere just wins. And it's not that hard to see because he has nothing to interpose. Why trade? Why would I who trades here? After takes, king takes, I had queen c3, king g5, and what do we say again? Oh yeah, and then we just take. Then we just take, and his king is in so much trouble. I'm threatening check and taking the bishop. Then I'll be up like up a piece, and his king is in a lot of trouble. King a6, it has to run, guys. Yeah, rook e4 with the lifters. We got our lifters on, folks. Bishop f2 check. King h1. He doesn't have any checks. Just take the piece, guys. Rook takes g2 checks. His best move. He's getting mated. Amazing. All right, guys. Let's check the tournament. And then we're going to make coffee with the all-new coffee cam. Well, it's new if you've never seen it before. It's not technically an all-new coffee cam. I shouldn't say that, guys. Osler is in, rated 2,000, folks. 2,070. AFM Kirby, 1752. I'm in at 1716. X-Ray Doomsday at 877. And Troll. We need more players, guys. Guys, what are we doing here? What do we join the tournament? I'm taking you guys. I'm gonna show you guys. Come with me to the coffee cam. Where's the button? All right, guys. Guys, that took longer than it usually does, but you know why? Guys, I was preparing for a tournament. Usually you think, how do you prepare for a tournament? Well, you study your opponent's games, you brush up on your openings, you know, maybe try and tidy up your end games, work on some tactiques, get good rest, eat well, right? Prepare for a tournament. No. This is my tournament, so I got to prepare by, you know, hitting the bio, freaking getting some coffee so I can stay too hyped up. Seed says beer is better than coffee. You know what, man? It could be, I'm sure, but Uzva, how you doing? Get in the tournament. 10 plus 5. Yeah, it's 10 plus 5, Swiss 5 rounds, unrated. And one of the craziest tournaments, guys. Wait, how long do we have? 5 minutes. Clubs, chest chillers, 1,201. Do I have a friend request? I gotta look at it, folks. Club events. Some of you guys saw this, man. I posted on Facebook and it got a lot of reactions. It was, I believe, tournament before last. You guys ready for this? First place and second place both cheated. Well, I don't know if they cheated. They got banned for fair play. If you ask ChatGPT what that means, that's what that is. That's what that is. Bozo Chess 2305, banned. Below Normal 2167, banned. Is that crazy? Yeah. And it's that's one reason. So yeah, but here's the point. If you play unrated, you'll still get banned. Chess.com bans unrated games the same way they ban rated games. They do. Bill Stevens says, hey, I had to edit some drums, but I'm back. Did you say anything about last night? Last night was great. Last night was great, dude. Play online. Okay. Go to the tournament. Go to the chat. And I'm going to say something in the chat. Like, it starts in 3 minutes, guys. AFM Kirby said, yo, chillers. I'm going to say, yo. Guys, you don't want to get an involuntary 0-point buy first round. If you're watching a stream on your phone and you're like, oh, yeah, I went to the chess.com app and I joined the tournament. No. Chess.com is going to see you as offline. You have to be in the app and you have to be active. If you say, no, my app's right here. I can see a chessboard. I'm on chess.com. Now, after like a minute, they mark you as inactive. Because there's too many people, guys. See, Osler's smart. Osler said, yo! Dude, I'm telling you, I love the way the community's growing. I freaking love it. So many of you, I'm starting to see repetitive. You guys are repeat offenders. Osler's starting to come around. We got people like Bill Stevens, Calvin Chambers. These guys are like friends for years, many years. But now we're making new friends like Osler, right? Yeah, like Yellow Dart. How you doing, Yellow Dart? Oh. 3. No, you're fine, brother. Yeah. And we got first time chatter Seed Command with his beer greater than coffee claim. Open mic last night. I hosted an open mic on Tuesdays. One thing I found out is I need my my Les Paul needs a little bit of work. The B string is sticking at the nut. I probably can just change the strings. And when I do, put a little bit of, what's that thing we call it? Nut. I think it's called nut grease. You guys remember that? I think it's called nut grease, guys. I bought a package of it. I don't know where my nut grease is, though. It's a part of a guitar, guys. It's part of a guitar. Relax yourself says, I'm going to get cooked. No, you're not, dude. If you're the lowest rated guy in the tournament, you know what that means? You have the, relax yourself, 723, lowest rated guy in the tournament. You get to play people better than you the whole day, which is huge. Metallica. So open mic was great. The Les Paul needs some work because the B string is sticking at the nut. Good friend showed up. A harmonica player came, a real nice guy. And he's spoken of his daughter before, and he brought her last night. Her and one of her friends, and they said, "Can we get up and do a song?" I said, "Of course." I didn't offer because I didn't know y'all played. I thought you were just coming, hanging out with your dad. They had tablets, and they were big, and they looked square to me. They appeared square. Is that an iPad or something? I swear they were square. They didn't feel very like I have a tablet. I have an Android tablet. It's shaped like this, only it's a lot bigger, right? Oh man, I got Chess Noob. Play well, Chess Noob. So they got up, man. They did the one girl, the daughter played piano, and they did Zombie. And then they did, what song was that? They did a song that's an upbeat song. But they did it slow. What was it? I remembered it last night. I can't remember it now. It'll come to me. And I asked them, because you guys have, you ever heard someone, they'll take like a fast song and they'll cover it like real slow? I said, did you guys slow that song down yourself, or did you or did you guys do that yourselves? Or did you hear someone else cover it, a famous person? And they said, no, we did that. I'm like, that's awesome. It's still a cover. but they changed the whole vibe. Kids show. Yeah, dude. This is family friendly. The nut is a piece. It's a piece on a guitar. How? Why is my acoustic not right here? Okay, kids. If the kids were going, no. This little piece right here on a guitar. If you look at guitars, every guitar has one. It's called the nut. And the strings go through a little slot. Okay? Well, one of my strings is sticking here. It's not sliding freely through it. So there's a product. There's a lot of different products, I'm sure. You know the old school product is simply you take a pencil and you draw on paper a whole bunch till you get the powder. That's graphite. Or it works like graphite. It's very, 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 very fine. It's like powder. And you put it in the nut where the string is, and then it helps it slide. That's one way. The nut grease that I have is, I think it's like Vaseline and graphite powder mixed together. That's what it is. But it works. It works. I'm taking way too much time, but I'm still not losing too much. Yeah. Well, retro gaming. If you're a chess noob, you don't. Oh wait. Oh, sorry. You don't want to stream snipe for a lot of reasons. For one reason, it's cheating, but like more important than that, you're one of us. You're a chiller. You're a cool cat, and I want you to get better at chess. And you're not going to get better at chess. You can watch the game after. Just look at the time. Well, the tournament starts at 4. Well, 4 o'clock my time, right? An hour after the stream starts. So if you want to see what I talk about your game, just don't watch. And when you're done, go back and rewatch. This is probably not an altogether bad move. Bad move. That's what I tell you guys. I kind of want to push. And you know what's funny? It's probably the best move, and then on D5, I have to play knight back. But it's still probably the best move. I'm gonna do it. I don't think it's bad. It might be bad. Traditionally made from ivory. Exactly. Yeah. Maybe back in the day they would make it from ivory, which we don't use ivory anymore. We try not to, right? Because of the poor elephants. So now we use rhino husk. Yeah, no, we don't do that either, guys. It's bone. They'll make them out of bone, but they're very often just made out of plastic. Now, that one's probably plastic. iPads are square. Can we get open mic stream on weekends? Man, I set myself up to start doing more guitar playing streams. Hey, just joined the tournament a little late. It's okay. One more Twitch user, you're here. What's up, Charlie? How'd you end up liking Red Dead? It's Morgan, by the way. Morgan. Which Morgan? My real life Morgan? I know. Well, Morgan's your first name. I haven't seen you in a minute, brother. If that's my Morgan, is there a Morgan from? Are you saying you're Morgan from Facebook? Oh no! I can come to the square. I didn't even see I could come to this square. So open mic was great. We recorded a couple of songs. Piano player Mark has some songs he wants to enter in a songwriting contest. So at the beginning of the night when it was kind of quiet, we went over the songs twice, and then we recorded the songs. He doesn't like the way they turned out. I could be honest with you, I thought the rehearsals sounded better than the performances. You know how that happens, Bill Stevens? Yeah, should have recorded the rehearsal, right? Yeah, from the Bar Morgan, dude. How you doing, man? I hope your life is well, dude. I love Red Dead Redemption. I think I've only played it. I think I've done 3 streams so far. I think I've done 3 streams on Red Dead Redemption. The first one probably went over 3 hours. That's probably not an altogether bad move, but it does drop a pawn. Do I take it? He's going to come in. I got to get something for that, right? I'm going to take it. I'm going to take it, folks. Open mic. What else happened at open mic? We had a pretty good crowd. And, oh yeah, and the girls got up and played. Oh yeah, so they did Zombie, and then they did a cover of something else, and they did a great job. They were good. I hope they come back. I think they will. And, yeah. Friend Larry came, got up and played some blues. We had some fun little jamming, and, it was cool. Open mic was good last night. Oh, okay, wait. That is weird. Is keyword... Okay, you should be able to type tips and it'll work. My bot is on. Let's try another one. Oh, there we go. No, it did work. It did work. It was just late. Yeah, but you got to understand, the tips command is from a separate bot I have. And the followage command is a Facebook feature. Dang, I'm late. Mr. Attorney, you can't... No, try, Ben. You probably can. You probably can. Someone else got in late. Dave Joy says, hey, Charlie and Chillers, good luck to everyone playing in today's tournament. Yeah, so I'm digging Red Dead, man. I'm digging it. But they said there's about 30 hours. It takes about 30 hours to finish the game or something. So I'm not there yet. I don't believe I'm a third of the way. Because there's so many side quests and stuff. You know what I mean? That's so great, though, man. I'm doing good, okay. I hope you're doing well, too. Honestly, Red Dead is my top 3 games of all time. It's just a lot to learn. Yeah. Okay, Gloop said he got in late, Ben, so you can if you want to, brother. Neither works for you. It just did work for you. It just did work for you. Michael Allen, you typed exclamation point tips, and then you said that doesn't work either. And then after that, it popped up, and it said replying to Michael Allen. Ways to support the stream. PayPal, Venmo, right there. You see it? It did work for you, Michael. You already did it. Just scroll up. It's right above you. I mean, it might not show it now because you already asked it and it already showed it. Okay. He attacks my pawnster, creating a monster. Just coming back. You're on it, but I don't see an option to join. Oh, yeah. No, if you can't get in this time, Ben, that's great. How you doing, Ben? Gloop said he got in late. If you just go to join the tournament, you should be able to join it. Just click join. Yeah, so Red Dead Redemption, there is a lot to learn, and they kind of show it to you slow. They show it to you slow. The tracking thing, focus. It took me a while. I mean, dude, like the first stream, I didn't even get it. Okay, now, this is a move, guys. My opponent has made a move. I can capture with the pawnster. Creating what, guys? A monster. It doesn't really create a monster. This is a pretty cool square for the night. it could probably be removed at some juncture in its career. What's it really threatening, though? I mean, okay, it's threatening a bishop that isn't doing anything. It keeps the bishop from developing to this square. It just feels like a good move, right? It feels like a pretty good move, but is it, though? Taking on Passant. What's his best piece right now? This one. Take on Passant, knight takes. His bishop might be coming to life. But what's my plan? How am I going to take advantage of this great knight? You know what I'm saying? I don't see how it's going to do anything for me, guys. I'm going to go. But the biggest reason I just saw is that I have this square I can get out on if I ever need to or want to. Because, if I'm going in there and it's going to be stuck, it just took. That's what it was. That's exactly Michael Allen. That's what it was. Yeah. It's just, that's like an off-site bot. It's called Noxbot. It's a stream bot I set up a long time ago for Facebook. It's going to be a lot more than 30 hours for you. I would guess around 150 to do everything. Yeah, the question is, am I going to do everything or not? Yellow Dart made it in. Cool. Yellow Dart says, always hit the red button. One more Twitch says, user says, you looking forward to GTA 6? Are you going to stream it? I have never paid for, played, and almost never even barely watched any Grand Theft Auto. There is so much of that game is not for kids. And okay, Call of Duty, you're running around shooting, people, pretend army people. That might not be content for 2-year-olds either, right? But you guys know what I'm talking about, right? And my stream isn't made for kids. Out of responsibility to humanity and out of respect for all my chillers. Years ago, someone's like, hey, I watch your chess stream every day with my 5-year-old daughter. She's learning how to play chess. I'm like, someone's watching me with their 5-year-old daughter? Chess streams, we keep family friendly, guys. We don't gear them toward kids. Yeah, Michael Allen, I played Crimson Desert. I think I put about 30 hours into it. Okay, he's attacking my pawnster. Multiple time stirs. If I come here, will it be a pawnster fire? That is a little bit of an annoyer of a move, to be perfectly honest with you. Because I have to do this and I don't want to do this. You know what I'm saying? Wait. I could move the knight to defend the pawn and then still maybe do some stuff. I'm going. Oh! I almost dropped my knight! I almost dropped my knight, folks. Almost dropped the knight. The problem with this is it feels good for a second, but then after takes, knight takes. My knight's hanging. I have to defend it. How do I do it? How do I do it? How do I do it? Just be annoyed. Just be annoyed. It's like, I don't want to play G6. It's annoying. Well, guess what? Be annoyed. GTA definitely worse than COD. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Grand Theft Auto has stuff in it that now, my gaming streams we do at night, and the gaming streams, again, I try not to use naughty words on camera. Every once in a while, one drops out. Every once in a while, we'll be talking about stuff that grown-ups talk about. Doesn't make it like a naughty stream. It's just maybe, you know, when they're gonna be adults talk, you put the kids to bed, and then all the 25 to 34-year-old males play gaming with Unc over here. You know what I mean? And so, but the chess stream, yeah, I love keeping the chess stream very, very family. There are people who watch with their sons too. They're little boy sons, man. And now that's a chess stream. Okay, so but regular games are one thing. GTA, I can't believe that they even allow some of the stuff that's in GTA. Like I don't get it. Okay, the night left. What squares did it leave? It was attacking nothing. It was a story. What was it? What? And the night. Well, sometimes you have to ask yourself what the story was told by. Was it told by an idiot full of sound and fury symbolizing nothing? The problem with this B4, my knight's trapped. You have to move, guys. It's in the rules. Stop saying you don't have to move. Okay. If I hit... Okay. And then... Now I think I can do this. Chess Noob 817 is playing a pretty good game. What Chess Noob 817 also is not doing, he's not blundering anything. He gave me a pawn earlier. Yeah, see? That's probably not an altogether bad move. Bad move. Hey, I asked for it. Yeah, I guess. And then... Queen? I dropped that pawn, guys. I just dropped a pawn. That's... bad. Yeah, he wants to trade queens. Bring the last piece. Yeah, the night comes. I think we go here. Oh, wait. Did I really screw this up that bad? I think oh, I can come here. I messed up, guys. What did I say? How does this lose? Oh, because this pawn. Does this work? I don't know, folks. You grinding some blitz? Tron, it's okay you didn't play, man. Play next week. Yeah, so even though the gaming streams, I don't worry about keeping them as family friendly as we do with the chess streams. I don't want to play. I don't think I want to play that game. I don't need it in my life. You know what I'm saying? It's not funny. It doesn't make me feel good. It doesn't make me feel made of wood or even a simulated wood grain finish. It doesn't. So I don't like it, you know, I just don't like it. Yeah. I gotta be careful not to blunder, guys. Gotta be careful not to el blundero. Spanish, guys. You guys don't know it. Don't try and speak it. You might hurt yourself. We're coming in, guys. Do I come in now or later? Do I eat some now or save some for later, guys? You guys remember now and laters? I guess just take more spatula. He's low on time, guys. He's low on time. I think a structural maneuver I'm supposed to be making in such positions. That was this move right here. Okay. Defending our great world champion. Attack king. Do we take with the pawn or the bishop? Oh well, yeah, we can't take with the pawn. Okay. And then we're going. We're breaking through. We have the technology, folks. Oh, he passes. That's an interesting maneuver. He went for it. That was like the first 800 rated move that he's made the whole game. I'm not even kidding. Like, what is up? Oh, I could have checked and took the pawn. I think we just touchdown. I think we just win from here. I think we win it here, guys. That was the first. Yeah, he resigned. Dude. Chess noob. Good game. Guys, he's rated 800? Dude, there's no hope for any of us. Dude, look at all these new names in here. The Metallica guy. Oh, Calvin Chambers got in. Cool. And then Dumb Wiz. I don't think I've seen him before. Ida is back. Ida's a strong player. Eco Voyager's back. Atticus is here. Cool. Magna Rod. We're playing Elden Ring tonight. Goat Doc is in. Cool. Extra Doomsday. Cool. Going to Clap Danny. I think I remember that name. And Yellow Dart's in too. Cool. Last game of the round, folks. It's like, how can they have so much time? Oh, because they've gone many moves, I guess. Yeah, he's just got to put more games behind his back. Exactly, Tron. He's got real potential. You hear that? You hear that? What's the guy's name I just played? I already forgot it. He would be done. Chess noob. Yeah, dude. You get something, bro. Grabbing this thing 1 sec. I have to go to the store, guys. Like, After the chest room, I definitely have to go to the store. I have like almost no food here. And I really should go to the big store. But it's the biggest stream of the week, folks. Is that all? Dumbwiz 1400 just drew a 2000. That's very, very good, Dumbwiz. Yeah, but oh, so Osler is playing for a win. And it's okay to play for a win because he is rated so much higher. Okay. The problem is there's nothing to see here other than a blunder. But if Dumbwiz didn't blunder the whole game, but it's good to try. Higher rated players, they don't want to lose, and they're so much higher rated. They're waiting for the blunder. He was supposed to figure out everything without instincts firing up. Yeah, he did great. Time management comes from getting exposed to more positions. I hope you see it through. Arthur is one of my best developed characters in gaming. It's a fantastic story, too. Okay, Morgan. Thanks, dude. Yeah, man. Good to see you, brother. And I wish you well, man. I hope to see you soon. I used to see Morgan sometimes when I would go play music. I remember Morgan played pool. I think he was a pretty good pool player, too. And nice guy. And I don't play music hardly at all anymore. So I'm not in the clubs anymore. But I think before I even stopped going to the clubs all the time, I think Morgan did too. Am I right, Morgan? You get out at all? I'm at Brass Hall on Tuesdays, man. Open mic. Open mic starts at 9. I feel like I've seen you there before. Maybe not. I feel like that's the last time I saw you was there. But either way, good luck to you, my friend. I think Wiz had mate after earlier in this game unsure. Yeah, well, he could be drastically underrated, or he's just having a really good game. I mean, 700 points. What would that be for me? A 2,400 in a 10-minute game plus 5? I don't know. I don't know if I'm pulling that off. Black is not familiar with drawing concept here. Well, yeah, because see, the problem here is he's now he can check, and he's kind of trapping him in the corner, but you can't get the king close. He just check you. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? There's probably an easier. Yeah, now it's like there's nothing. He comes back. Right. This is going to be a 40 move rule, guys. This is going to be a 40 move rule game for sure. Yeah, you might still be able to get in flowingly. Some people late joined, and this is round 1. Yeah, you're not much anymore. Yeah, you know, it's funny because a lot of people that stopped going to the clubs that we normally would go to on a regular basis, that stopped going, you think I'm still there all the time. But I'm not, because you don't go anymore. And I think you're still there all the time because I don't go anymore. And you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Just like time doesn't mean anything. Like clocks without their springs. You know that song? Which Way to the Top? That's a great song, man. In the bar, we sit like blackbirds with our broken wings, like clocks without their springs. Just like time doesn't mean anything. It's a great song, dude. That's a great song. Who did that? Is that Fastball? I heard that song, Which Way to the Top, and I'm like, this is like, it's as good, or as good as anything. It's just it's a great song, and they do a great job of it too. So I got some of their CDs, and every freaking song they do does not sound like that song. That's the only song. Ben Arnold says, oh, that's news to me. You haven't been playing music very much lately. Well, I do about... It's funny because I consider open mic a gig. I get paid to play music, right? I don't play the entire time. Some nights I play a lot more than others, but I always play. Look at that, and he blundered. And it's okay that Osler should not have given him the draw. Not for 700-point difference. And Dumbwiz will now never let that happen again. Yeah, good job, Dumbwiz. My God. Who am I got? We got Osler. Hey, Osler, play well. I'm shutting chat off, guys. He's rated 2,000. I'm going to try and beat him. I'm going to try and beat him. Yeah, he hung in, man. Can I send next? Prashant, this is a tournament. You can join the tournament. E4, C5, knight F3. Guys, I'm playing a rated 2,000 rated player who just won a drawn endgame. Yeah, I don't know the exact idea before the early A6. And at 2,000, do you think he knows like tricks or something and traps? Probably. There's not going to be tricks and traps, guys. Takes. And then... yeah. And then... E6. Bishop C4. It kind of keeps an eye. Doesn't do much. Bishop C4, B5. Doesn't work. Yeah, wait, it does work. Okay, so no, I know what we do now. We take a little bit of information for our old friend Opachensky. He's a nice man. This is the Taimanov variation. He didn't transpose into mainline Nadorf. If he would have played knight f6, I would have played bishop g5, f4, queen f3, castles long. Right? Okay, he wants this. I'm going to show you what I do with this. You ready for this? I'm going to take... and there's a reason behind this. I don't know if I want to tell you because Osler might not know. I learned this from FIDE Master David Bassett. I really did. You guys think I'm kidding. I can't see chat. What am I missing, guys? Morgan, why are you at work? Morgan's a little younger than me, guys. He's a little bit younger than me. And, like... We're eye to eye. It's not like I'm a father figure to him or anything. But I just realized, why aren't you at work, Morgan? That's funny. I actually worried about you for a second. I'm like, huh. It hit me like a ton of bricks. Yeah, now, and then... unpinning. Breaks in El Centro. Bishop F4. We don't want to allow this move. So I think we open the center when his king is there, right? And then Bishop F4, D5. I could play knight E4. Bishop F4 is almost certainly the maneuver. I can't play... and okay, now it's a little different. Because he took with this pawn. So, Queen D3. He might play... that's kind of probably okay, though. Pin my own knight, and D4 wins. I could come here. Does it lose? You tell me. I can't read. You can't read if you can't see, folks. Pin ning. Oh, he comes back. He comes back to his home where he belongs, guys. Do we have anything here? Is there anything here? There is... No. There is... He's better, guys. Black is better. Why? Because he has 2 center pawns and I don't. That's just the nature of the way things works. Rook E1, Rook B8. If B3, the bishop can come back. Oh, I guess I could kick, though. I feel like my stuff is not okay over here already. My pieces are not well coordinated. I guess my bishop could come to this square for an improving scenario. And then we got to bring a rook. I don't know, man. I'm not sure what to do here, guys. I'm not sure what to do here. Seed command with the follow. Dude, Twitch is growing, dude. Where are we at? 674, guys. Can we get to 700 follows on Twitch? We don't have enough people here right now to do it. But you guys, if you haven't followed on Twitch, hit the follow button, man. Now, like, do we want to... We want peace play because we don't... Okay, we got to start bringing rooks. This is a square hair, but I can't really do anything about it. You know what I mean? Hey, this improves the rook, man. We'll worry about everything else when it happens. I'm worried about... I'm totally concerned about all the stuff that I'm afraid is going to happen. And I shouldn't be. I should be improving my pieces. I should be doing developmental scenarii. You're not done developing until you develop your rooks. If you're watching the stream while playing the tournament and you apply what I just told you, that's called cheating. So if you just learned that, you can't do it in this game. You have to wait till next game. Just saying. It's outside interference. Right? I thought about something, but I guarantee... I wonder how this works. Okay, there was an international master named Doug Root. This is before there was a whole bunch of online chess stuff like chess.com now. Before ChessBase existed. There was a big fat book called Encyclopedia of Chess. No, it wasn't ECO. What was that book called? It wasn't MCO. It was a big fat book of chess openings. And I saw him sitting in the lobby of the hotel where we're playing a big tournament. And he was sitting there looking. He was looking up some lines. He was learning some stuff. Probably preparing for his opponent. Because the pairings go up. They post them on the wall. You go, you see who you're playing. Then nowadays, you look at your phone. You Google them. You find their chess.com. You see what they play. You look at a few lines if you can. Sometimes you'll have 10 minutes to do that. Sometimes you'll have half an hour. Or maybe for the first round, you might even have an hour, 45 minutes or something. Probably not. And you prepare for your opponent. Okay. What if he's in the lobby looking at the chess book and his opponent makes a move and pushes the clock? Now his time's running. And he's reading a chess book. So I'm sure there's a very clear thing. There's a very clear thing guaranteed about once a clock starts. But again, he doesn't even know the guy started the clock. The guy might not have started the clock. Right? So I guess if the round, let's say the round starts at 4 o'clock. It's the second round of the day. If the round starts at 4 and you're reading a chess book, even if you're up in your hotel room, what if you're coming late? People have done that before. People have done that before. Come late to a game so they could prepare, right? Huh. What would be clear cheating would be if you walked in and you saw your opponent and you look and you saw that he played d4 and then you went out and you went back to your hotel room. That's cheating. Yeah, he really used his brain and his mind on that move, guys. I am really actually happy to see this for multiple reasons. He used a lot of time on that move, man. This guy's really trying to beat me. I think Bishop F3 was bad. I think I needed... Oh, yeah. No. I think I have ideas. What? I think I have ideas. I do. I have ideas. Brings the rook. Is this literally the move I want to play right now? I feel like brings the Amigos queen. This bishop is just doing nothing, man. I mean, it's helping a little bit, but it's not helping a lot. We could make Luft. We could do this to make Luft. That could be a permanent weakness even if these get traded. This gives me this idea. And the bishop can tuck back. And it supports a very unhealthy and weakening f4. It's in the rules. Guys, dude, it's the law. Whoa. Yeah, I knew the rook was coming, guys. I knew the rook was coming, so I gotta bake a cake now. Hit the queen. Retro Gaming followed you. You didn't already follow Retro Gaming? I love it when people have been around for a long time, or a while anyway. We've talked in chat, and they still haven't hit the follow button. That's good. People they don't just follow, guys. They're like, no. When they make you earn the follow and then you get it, that's a good feeling. Queen comes right. Checkmate. No. Oh, he can't play E. Is this the move? It's the maneuver! And I think this is the square. But how do I get a knight there? Hair. Good rhyme. I am on point with the rhymes today, folks. But forgive me if it sounds like I'm talking to myself. I am, because I have no chat up. Because I'm really trying to play a reasonable game against this guy. I got to tell you. Well, no, I think I've done some things really wrong. I think I have. I think I've done some things wrong. There are, okay. C4, pawn takes queen, no. No, that doesn't work. Yeah, now if I come here... It just seems like it's not the maneuver. You know what I'm saying? You know when it just seems like it's not the maneuver? Does anyone here ever feel like it's just not the maneuver? C4 is dumb. He's going to get this move now and win a piece if I don't... I don't know what to do. Drink water. When you don't know what to do, play the move that develops a piece. When all your pieces are developed and you don't know what to do, drink water. That's the chess advice of the day, folks. Tell me you learned it here. I want to look. I have to look, guys. I'm not looking at chat. I sometimes will have the board up, but I mean chat up when I play, but I just want to see how many people are watching on Facebook right now. 4. Facebook, I love you guys, man. Facebook isn't showing everybody when we go live, but that's okay. That's okay. The reason why is because I'm just mind blown that Twitch is the rocker and roller right now, guys. Yeah, this thing was a little bit loose, and there were tactiques, guys. Tactiques. There were TikToks. C4 still loses? Yeah. My life! Yeah, it's a move. I feel like I have to keep controlling this. I think I bring the bishop back. You know what I'm going to do, right, guys? A bad plan is better than no plan. And that's good news. Because I have a bad plan. Oh my god, he moved. He brings the knight. Oh, he got that. Okay. Didn't see I dropped the pawn. Okay. Oh, no. I didn't drop a pawn. I'm not trying to stream snipe Osler. You know, like recommending bad moves. Oh, I dropped the pawn, and then you're rated 800, so you take the pawn, and then you lose your bishop, right? Yeah, I'm not trying to do that to Osler. I literally thought I dropped a pawn. I just didn't even see queen takes pawn was possible. I had a bad plan, but now I feel like I might. I don't know, man. I don't think bishop c5 was the move, guys. I don't think it was the way. Someone better have a big long game after this because I gotta freaking hit the. Guys, there are repercussions to everything. Drinking coffee has its own. Twitch. Love you guys. I have no chat up right now, guys. No chat. Takes. Okay. There's a real plan here with taking with the pawn. Accepting the weakness. And then... And then I will have a center pawn. You know what I mean? Because when this starts rolling, it could be really, really bad. C4 doesn't work. Rook takes. Doesn't work. What about queen takes? Do we break? I can't break. Wow. This is getting pretty bad, guys. Just come back. Ah, man. Is he trying to beat me on a clock, guys? Okay. He has rook up, but I don't think it does anything. Oh, I come here? Oh, wow, it does do something. Oh, man. If I come back, he takes... If I come back here, he... Oh, no, my bishop's here! I didn't see my bishop. He can't play rook takes. Yeah, it's a good move, man. Good move, my friend. Oh, didn't see it? Okay. He might have should have took the pawn back. But I think he has too much activity, right? He has activities, guys. He has lots of room for activities, and he has some more time on El Cloaco, guys. It's Spanish, so I'll try and say it. You might hurt yourself, guys. This could be a move. I mean, it could be a dumb move. He's too strong, guys. He's using his brain. That's a good move. Yeah, it's probably a pretty good move. I never should have allowed it. Wait. Trading down to a one end game. Figure that out. Okay, do we keep the pawn? I think we do this first. Okay, and then do we get in front of it? Or do we... I think we trade it for the protected, for the connected passers. Magnus Carlsen approved. You guys see the shot? Now, I still have to win. It's an inchworm, folks. It's an inchworm. Say it. Inchworm. Yeah, I blew it, guys. I blew it. I blew it. What pawn do I pushed the other pawn, guys. Wow. Dude, I call it an inchworm, and on the very next move, I blundered the pawn. That was winning! Yeah. I think I come here. Anywhere, right? Dude, I was winning. I could have made progress. I could have made progress. God. Good game, dude. Thank you for the game. You were so much better. Guys, I gotta hit the thing, man. I'm gonna make a move. Hopefully my opponent's AFK for a minute. I'll be right back. He had... No, he didn't have... Okay, C6. Okay. I was just doing tactics in my head. Coming back to chat. Oh, my God. What a game. What a game. Plays D5. We play knight BD3. This guy's 1897. Metalitka. From Hungary. No, thank you. I already ate. You've heard that a million times. Hungary. Judah Polgar. Guys, we're playing Judah... No, it's a guy. Is this... The father of the Polgars? I think he would be... Judith, I think, is around my age, a little bit younger than me. She's clearly 50-something, I'm sure. So, no, her dad probably would not be in a Metallica. So, I don't think it's her dad. Calvin says, I'm happy. I won 2 games at least. You won 2 games already? You won your first 2 games? Checking the results. Metallica is 2 out of 2. AFM Kirby is 2 out of 2. I don't understand how Osler is 2 out of 3. He doesn't have a game. How does Osler not have a game? I don't understand. How does Spilanolia not have a game? Did he get 0-point buys or something? I don't understand. I don't understand chess, guys. Am I losing? You guys made a quick draw. Okay. Quick draw. Oh, so you... Okay. So you had 1.5. Oh, because you made a draw of me, too. Okay, do you know that guy? Do you know Idis Spelanoia? E4. Okay, he plays E5. Then we play this move. No more... How did you guys... That was a pretty quick draw. Calvin says, FB my home. It's where I first started watching. Love you, brother. Yeah. Calvin's been around forever, man. No. He was getting too active. Oh, you guys repeated. You accidentally repeated. Interesting. Accidentally. I'm curious about that game. Dave Joy says, this is our weekly tournament. Charlie has chat muted, but he normally accepts challenges from viewers on Thursdays and has been playing bullet chess with viewers on Mondays recently, too. You're right. And I'm going to do something new. You know what it is? I am going... Okay. Develop ping. Give Ving. Dave Joyce is going to be awesome. I'm going to start playing 10-minute rapid, maybe even 10 plus 5 against supporters on Facebook. You know what's coming. Subscribers on YouTube. I mean on Twitch, and members on YouTube. These are the people that give $5 a month to keep the stream alive. I might start doing that. I don't know what. I might start doing that Tuesdays. And then I think that's a good way to get back to the community. It's a good way to play a lot of chess. You know what I'm saying? I think that'd be a pretty cool thing. Or maybe we could do something crazy. Like 30-minute games or something. And then I'll just kind of start making some kind of a impromptu queue. But the important thing is that I write down the people I've already played. Now, bishop c4 could be a move, but my knight, I feel like my knight wants to go to c4. Yeah, knight definitely comes to c4. And I can't take e5 because he has queen check. So I got to remember that. Just go, man. It's 00 dash or 06 over here in South Africa. Is that a time? I don't know how to read international time. I'm American. I speak English. It means you have to say it's 6 minutes after midnight. Is that what it is? Is that what it is? That'd be awesome to play with some time. Yeah, Toasty, that's what I'm talking about. That's exactly what I'm talking about, Toasty. Because so many people, when I play viewers, okay, that's probably a maneuver. Actually, and not an altogether bad maneuver either. Do we bring the bishop? Yep, that's exactly the point, Toasty. You know what? I might have even been inspired by you. You've mentioned it before or something. Something about wanting to play with more time. It's 12 p.m., yeah. Okay, p.m., right. You were Chess Noob in the first game. I played you earlier, Retro Gaming. Yes, dude, good game, dude. You played an insane game. You're really 800. Jason says, hi, Sardo. Last time you said my flag looked like a sweet, but I couldn't hear properly. South Africa. I see your flag, brother. South Africa. Got you. Cool idea considering there are a lot of new viewers and players in the tournament recently. Yeah. Yeah. Now, do we just go? I think we do. That gives him 95, but I mean, is 95 that big of a deal? 95, like, takes, bishop takes check, king b1, I want to play it anyway. Oh no, it gives him knight e4. No, it doesn't, because I take. So we do it. Yamonine. A Yamonine, guys. It's a new account. Okay. Okay, Retro Gaming. Yeah, because you played like nothing against 8. What was your rating? 874 or 890 something or something? They don't drop pieces every single game, but they still drop them sometimes. One thing that they don't do is if I just move pieces without thinking, I should beat you. You know what I'm saying? And I mean, I did win. Did I win? But you were winning, I think, or you were clearly better. And it's because you're not 800, and that makes sense. That makes a lot of sense. Now there are ideas. A bishop takes, pawn takes. Yes, play pawn takes, because if he plays bishop takes, I play knight check. He castled. That's probably not an altogether bad move. Bad move. Hey, I asked for it. Okay. Your highest rating is 1270. Makes sense. For you're so good, all it took was that pawn I blundered to lose. Well, I'm like, okay, if your best rating was 1270, so I'm like 400 or 500 points higher than you. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm supposed to win. It's okay. When you play an 800, you're supposed to win. You know? Josh said, no. That's from the Inchworm. Watching from Zimbabwe. Dude, Chess with Eddie. Dude, I love your name too. How do I join? Oh, man. Yeah. Okay, Chess with Eddie. I'm sorry. I just saw your comments. You're probably gone. Because they look like they're old. But Chess with Eddie, if you're still here, announce yourself. On chess.com, you go to Chess Chillers. There's a link pinned in the comment. You go to Chess Chillers, you join Chess Chillers, and we play the tournament every Wednesday. Interim Josh. And his king was so far away. That was like, I mean, he had to advance his pawns as fast as he could, start checking me with his rook. And I would have to run my king toward his rook. Right? Do we do the dumb one, guys? Do we do the dumb one? What about this move? Pawn takes, pawn takes. Knight comes back. I don't think it works. Takes, bishop takes, knight f5. He can't play g6. I think we play bishop back. I think we play bishop back. And then just like G4, G5, right? My queen's on a weird square. True, but I think my best game is when I drew against a 2200 rated player. He must have had a bad day or something. That happens. Brings the knight back, right? And he wants to play f5. G3 could be a move, trapping my bishop. No. If I put pressure on the pawn, I think he can easily defend it with bishop f6. Knight g5 could be coming. I think we're going to take here. And then get knight f5 in with tempo. Probably is. And then g4. Now, queen g4 will threaten mate if his queen like comes to c5 or something. His queen could come to the square, but he can't play g6 because I take. So queen g4. Oh, there's a check here. Oh my God, I have this move. We play it. I play it. And then we do the double rook sacrifice. It's just king b1. High-class waiting move, folks! I made a high-class waiting move for all my friends. Knight g5 is great. It's a move. Then we just come and, most importantly, or knight g5, maybe queen, and threaten this. I don't know. I'm shutting off chat though. I haven't seen anything, and I don't want to, because this is very important. King b1, guys. You guys like the move? Because now I'm threatening, and threatening, and threatening, and threatening, and threatening, and threatening. It's all very threatening, guys. This, I think, is a really strong move, and I think it's coming to a theater near you. And then bishop c4, probably. Let him play b5. I'll play a3. And I'll be fine over there, because I'm coming quick. And if I get this pawn pinned, it's going to be nasty with the rook and two things looking at the hook. It's going to be nasty. Rook. He should probably be like trying to trade. I think I just saw an idea for him. I see there could be some problems for myself if I do this wrong. It's very, very important to get my pieces developed. Okay, he stops the check. This, I think, is a very good and very important move. Oh, but we said this was pretty important too, right? Here, knight g5. You got to do it, guys. Sometimes you have to move. I think he has one square. Maybe like queen was more threatening. You know what I'm saying? How do you get stream sniped on a board game? It doesn't make sense. And someone just sent me a link. But who is it? You know, like people that are in your thing. See you soon. I'm trying to get context on who this person is. Oh yeah. I know who this is. I know who this is. Yeah, I looked at this move. But don't I just have like anything? Because his queen has to move. Here, g6 takes. So am I winning? Am I winning? Okay, I'm low on time. He's lower on time. I didn't realize. I think this just wins. And we don't have to gut him. I don't have to sack the knight. If he sacks the queen for a rook and a pawn, that's fine. He has knight takes. Takes. I don't have to sack this knight. I can just bring it around town. I can bring it around town, folks. You know what I'm saying? And then we just bring the other pieces. And maybe still g4, g5. He resigned, man. What a game, dude. Dude! Good game. Good game, my friend. Metallica. Is Metallica. Is this his first time playing a tournament, guys? Metallica? Does anyone know? He can't take the pawn on a2 if you move the queen to g4. Yeah, I'm not sure. I just know I can't wait to look at that game and see if I did the right moves or not. Yeah, he was in trouble, man. Oh, I had the one for sure in the other one, Josh. Absolutely, but this game right here was kind of crazy, man. There's one game going. Dumbwiz is kind of like me. He uses his time, guys. He uses the time available to him. That was round 3. This is round 3, guys. 2 more rounds. Good chess, guys. That game. Oh, yeah, this is their game. I'm like, what am I looking at right here? I'm going to refresh. Now watch when I refresh, the game ends, and it's all, you were offline, you big dummy. There we go. I'm going to go into chat. Say good games so far. Good games so far. Metallica, good games. Calvin says, I play on iPad finger slip more than I do on my phone. Really? You only play Tyranny on iPad for the screen size, otherwise you play on phone. Okay. Oh, man. Oh, retro gaming to take off? Yeah, my chat was off. You must have had a bad day or something. Good night, man. It's late here, so I'm out. Yeah, okay, that was a while ago. Retro gamer, love you, brother. Thanks for being here. That draw, I got really lucky in that draw against Oslo, man. But that was a shot, man. The tactics, woo! And then I blundered the win. It's probably not enough. Troll, good try. Osler says, I played very tense games. I hate chess. Dude, Osler, they're talking in the tournament chat. I personally, when I really try, like against you, I really tried, right? That last game, I was kind of reading chat as I went. I was being a little casual about it, but I focused up. No, I shut chat off. At the very beginning, I did. These games make you tired, man. These games make you tired, guys. Chess makes you tired when you work. It's hard work playing chess. Giving everything you have. You know what I mean? Like, 1 minute chess, you get that dopamine and adrenaline rush because you keep starting a new game. You know what I'm saying? Like I was saying, you know, if I could be playing blackjack in Vegas and I feel like I could stay up forever. As long as I had money to bet and they put 2 cards in front of me, I could say hit or stand. And if they did another one, like how could you not stay up for 10 days doing that? I mean, it wouldn't be healthy. Get your sleep. This is not life advice. But you understand my point. Classical chess, standard chess, 4-hour chess, 4-hour games. When you're trying to win and you're sitting there analyzing everything, it'll wipe you out. Here comes the queen, folks. Checkmate. Good game. Get your boards, folks. Round 4 starting now, I think. Yes. Hey, I get AFM Kirby. All right, Kirby, play well. I'm going to shut it. This guy, I think he's beat me every time. This guy's difficult to beat, folks. Difficult to beat. Chat is now off E4. We play C5. I feel like AFM Kirby is stronger than this. Than 752. I thought he was 1900. Is his blitz like 1900 or something? Plays F. Dude, he's playing mainline Nadorf, guys. He's playing the main line. Can you guys even believe that we're seeing this right now? It's either knight bd7 or castles. I think it's knight bd7 because I want to take back the knight if I can. King b1, freaking grandmaster over here, dude. We're in trouble. We are in trouble. Knight c5, pressuring. b5. I, at one point, remember not playing b5 because I'm like, oh my god, he has attack on my knight and my rook. During the game. Yeah, but don't I have this? Did I lose a piece? Oh, it's just a pawn. Okay, I guess we take... I don't know. I don't know that that was good. I don't think it might not be bad, but I don't feel like... Is this... Yeah, see, now he's kind of looking at stuff. He's looking at stuff. I could play... And no, I can't. No, I can't. I think we go here. And then we play knight. Oh, he's threatening mate. Wow. Didn't see it. So it works. Do I play bishop back? Or do I... This is a very key moment. This is a really, really big decision on which one I take. The thing about taking the knight is bishop takes, queen takes, and he can, like, attack my queen and take the pawn back. But if bishop takes, the knight has to move. And I have space. I think bishop takes. Let me look at it one more time. Pawn takes. Then if bishop takes, queen takes d6. He has knight b5. His bishop is unprotected, but I can't attack it. Knight b... I gotta look one more move past knight b5. Takes. Knight b5. Knight b5. Like... Queen b6 or something? I'm gonna have this square for my bishop too. So hard to decide. Okay, am I getting mated? Because if I take back, I'm not getting mated. But if I go for this other line, I think I'm still not getting mated. The thing about this move is, when the rook comes, it's going to come with a threat. And then my bishop can get on this diagonal. And with this bishop here, this square coming available, it must be fine. Bishop back, where does his knight go? Oh, where does his knight go? It's forced here, I think. And then we can come to this square and make him do stuff he doesn't want to do. He has no other squares, right? If I would have seen that this was his only knight move, I would have done this. But it took me way too long. There is two... No, oh, I thought this bishop was unprotected. It's not unprotected. This square is unprotected, and my knight looks pretty good here. Does everyone agree? Where's the knight going? Is it threatening anything? It's not. This knight's pretty well informed. Bishop F5? I mean, Bishop E4? Just play the bishop now? Maybe the knight first, hit the queen, and then bring the bishop? What's he... If he plays this, I think we're just really, really well off. This must be a reasonable move. Okay, queen comes, but now I think I have ideas like knight and knight. This is more active. Does this move... I'm not sure if it does force it. If this knight moves, I think I play bishop c6. Maybe rook b1, rook b8. Bishop d5. With ideas. He's way up on the clock. How did that happen? Tell me in chat. Oh, it was all because I didn't see that his knight... I didn't say where does his knight go in this line. Once I saw that his knight went here, that's why I chose this line rather than taking on c3. Boy, I can't wait to learn from these games, guys. To see if I'm making the right decisions, or if I'm not, why not? We improve like by making threats. Right? We improve by making... just looking at squares and stuff. If the bishop comes... do I bring the knight? Because I think I have this move. Blocking my stuff. I didn't want to block my stuff. Why does he keep making me block my stuff? And it's like, does the rook come to this square for malarkey? Okay, the knight left. And the knight was stopping something. The knight was stopping... This is probably the winning move. I don't have enough time to find it. Does the knight have a square? Oh, it has a square now. So maybe... Oh, it has a square here too, though. It has a square here. So we go for this malarkey. The thing is, this like makes a threat, and I don't think it really works. If bishop and the knight comes, what if we improve the bishop? No, I kind of want to put the knight there. Knight, he could do some like queen. Bishop, he could still bring the queen. So maybe just bring a rook. Oh, this double hits a pawn too, though. Too long time. This is why I think rapid is a horrible, horrible thing to do to chess. Because I didn't have time to look at it. And if I could have looked deeper, then I would have improved my calculation skills. Look at the dark squares that my knights and my bishop control. Is that not crazy? Is that not insane? Where does he move the queen? He could move it to this square. He can move to this square, but then I can play like knight check. So maybe this, now that I have all of his time to look at it, maybe this isn't as bad as I thought. But you know what? I probably don't have enough to go into the complications. Am I down a pawn? Why am I playing like I'm losing? You know what I'm saying? It's because I went in attack mode, is what it is. And I mean, oh, no. I lost an exchange, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I'm down an exchange. And I didn't even get a pawn for it. But I had the bishop pair. I have massive control of stuff. He went for it. Is he going to get 3 pieces? I didn't even consider this. Yeah, he's going to get 3 pieces, and I didn't even consider it. So I have to go for it now. But he's going to have 2 pieces and a rook. Might have some dark square stuff happening here. My king's going to be safer and have a monster dark squared bishop. I could get a pawn here too. Depends on how he plays it. Takes with the knight. Okay, if I take, he saves his queen. So I get 3 points. But if I take here, I get more. If he takes with the bishop, he gets a little bit of time. I could take, bishop takes, take doesn't do anything. So we just come back. And then we do this. And we pray for rain! And this pawn is hanging too. This is crucial. The knight comes back defending, okay? Stockfish wins. I think this is white every time. Maybe not. It's like I got the queen for 2 rooks. And he has 2 pieces for the rook. I have a safer king. And he just comes back. I don't have time to goof around, guys. Okay. Now do we play e5? Do we push this way? Push this way gives him c3 and an umbrella, I think. If I push this way, even though I get the dark square domination, the pawns, nothing's getting open. I don't know what to do. Is he threatening anything? Can we just improve? I don't know what to do. H5 put him in a move. So I can look king a7 if the back rank ever gets messed up. Running out of wood for the fire, folks. Yeah, so that might not have been the way. Can't even bring the I don't have enough wood! I need more wood to throw in a fire, guys. We're all out of firewood. I probably didn't need to do that. I should just play king over. That's probably a good move. You could force the rooks off. Which could be a bad thing, might not be a bad thing. I just don't know. Oh, no. That's pretty bad. I can resign. Too strong. Good game, dude. Good game. That was the last game of the round. Sorry, guys. Let me come back to chat. Whoa, man. Oh, dude. What a crazy game. The games. Yeah, the games are insane, Branson. You were able to play a few tournament games with you all before you got back to work. Cool. Calvin said, at a stage I went through huge mental dip because of personal things in my chest. Never recovered. Dropped from 1770 to 1500 in Blitz. Wow. Hey, Calvin Chambers. I got Calvin. Metallica said, yeah, I just watched Background Gaming on my first time here. Hope I'll catch another tournament next time, too. Dude, man. Good game, dude. Good game. E4, E5. We play Bishop C4. Dude, my heart. One of my faves. Bob Seger is so good. Bob Seger is so good. Plays Bishop C5. I think we play Knight F3. Okay, and then we play C3. And then... Oh, wow. We play D4. I think you castle, man. It's a wasted move, though. So maybe we can play this. Interesting maneuver. Can he play D5? No, he can't. It just castles. The bishop's opening, Jason. That's what I play. That's what I play, man. Okay, he brings the knight for a reason, guys. There's but you know what the reason is? The season. It's because he doesn't want it to get kicked. I could kick this knight. Oh, did I have... In this position, did I have... No, I didn't have D5. Stop thinking about it. Just bring pieces, I guess? I think this one means more. Because the pawn's unprotected, and his king is here. It looks at his king. He might be able to play D6 first. He plays it first anyway. Do we have anything dumb? Can I do this now? He has D5, though, which I didn't consider. He wants to pin me. I could play Bishop E3 at any point. Do I do this? I have to move. That probably wasn't the best move. Yellow Dart says, personally, I only like 3-2 for increment, occasionally 1-1 because you get good play there. Somehow people who know what they are doing also pass, just not flag actual little games. Right, and I knew I was going to take this, so let's just take it. Okay, and then... I want to play f4-ish. I want to attack this pawn-ish. B3, bishop B2. Because of all this. And put a little pressure. His bishop's better than mine. I could trade it in one move. It is my good bishop, though. But his bishop's better than mine right now. I could just bring a knight. I know the knight's going to come here. Or wait, does knight want to come to f3 to pressure the pawn? Let's do it. Let's do it. I have a plan. Okay. Attack king. Defending our great world champione. Don't. Do we do this? I think we do. It's the delayed fianchetto, guys. The delayed fianchetto. I did blunder. I did the thing I was saying earlier in one of the other games. A bad plan is better than no plan. And I have a bad plan, so that's good. It's a start. You know what Ben Feingold says? The first step to failing is trying. I think you missed your opportunity to play d5 before d6. Did I, Alec? Yeah, man, that's probably not an altogether bad maneuver. He's going to play f6, but I feel like I want to do this. It seems so weird, but there's a reason, right? There's a reason for the season, folks. I should... What the guy say, man? Now coming here seems dumb because he might get f6 in. But from here, where's the jumps? You know what I'm saying? I could maybe get this. This slows down the f6 maneuver, guys. Just slows it down. It's not the end of the game, guys. Calm down. Yeah, plays queen f6. Threatening. Okay. I thought I just blundered bishop g4. Scary. You guys have no idea how proud I am of all you guys to get better at chess. Calvin Chambers been around a long time, guys. He's 1648. Now we continue with our plan. Then we could bring the other rook, maybe play king g2 and f4, and play chess. Yellow Dart, I love you. I hate 3-2. 3 minute to me is 3 minute no increment. Yeah, see, you should have played queen g5. That was a guaranteed, Calvin. That was the best move before. Guaranteed. But now the knight gets to come to f3 with time, right? He's not threatening anything. Do we just take it and move? I think we just stick and move, guys. And now bishop c4 is going to come with tempo. Oh, and he's threatening it anyway, so we kind of got to. Yeah, I think he might have had f5, not f4. But the knight's going to f1, folks. No reason. What do we got here? What do we got here, folks? See if there's anything in the tournament chat room. Tournament chat room. Oh, I can't look at the tournament chat room while I'm playing a game. Brings the knight back into the game, guys. F4. Like h5, h4. Here first. He could possibly get. He didn't give me. Guys, he didn't give it to me. Maybe bring a rook and play f4. I don't know. Ah! I didn't see it. Sorry, I screamed. That was uncontrollable. Oh, Calvin, good game, dude. That was very strong. Dude, you're competing for first, Calvin. This is the last round? Oh, okay. So if if Kirby wins, he's gonna pass you. Dude, sorry I dropped the piece, man. I would have rather played it longer, you know? Wow, I dropped my freaking piece. I don't know if you're in trouble, Calvin. That would be a really good game to look at, man. That'd be a really good game to look at. AFM Kirby is just like, I think he's underrated, guys. He plays so strong, like a bull. How's he doing against our friend Osler here? 2, 4, 5 pawns to 5 pawns. Osler has the better pawn structure, and yeah, he's just saying, you know what? You can have the bishop. The knight, look how strong this knight is, right? If knight takes, it improves the king. But the bishop is a bishop. You know what I mean? Like, this pawn is kind of hindered. So the bishop could maybe reroute and somehow attack the pawn. So trade takes, good. Okay, now what's happening? I think, yeah, that's a good move. He gets a knight check. No, he doesn't. Yeah, that's a good move. He could maybe play knight f5 or knight c4. Knight c4. Bishop takes, pawn takes, fixes the pawns. And if you don't, you're in check. And I mean, you don't. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You could come here because the rook can't come. The rook can come all the way down though, and that could be mucho problemas. But we get there first, so I don't know. This is really interesting. This is probably a draw for Hikaru. Doc Bizzle, hello. What's up, Charlie? Also, my bad on the misspell. You're fine, dude. Good to see you again, Doc Bizzle. Good to see you again. B3, Bishop D4. He missed it. Okay. Great games, man. Great games today. It's absolutely insane. What are we going to get at the store, guys? I had McDonald's yesterday, guys. I know that makes me a freaking sinner. Oh, it's so bad for you. It was so good, though. And I had enough sugar for a month because I got the caramel frappe with the whipped cream. The rooks come off. Now, this might not be a draw. Yeah, king position matters. These pawns... I don't know, man. I don't know the end games. The king comes and it feels good, but like he can check it out when he wants to. And he could come up a square. This is an idea. If he plays knight back, you do something like this to attack the pawns. As a matter of fact, that might have been better than king up. A4. Oh, he could play king up, though. Well, yeah, but then you go this way. You might be fine. I don't know. Very tricky. Yellow darts at the same time. If no increment, game would be over. So ink for the win. Love it, brother. Josh likes the increment. I may have played a very little bit of classical chess with an increment, but I think maybe I didn't. There might have been an increment when I played the Austin, the last tournament I played, Austin Chess Club Championship. Like, I played that like 15, 16, 17 years ago. And that might have had an increment. But back when I used to play chess, it was 40 moves. For the each player got 2 hours for the first 40 moves. And then when you hit move 40, you add, each player gets another hour. 40 and 2, 20 and 1. And then they'd be like, and then from there they might have like something just to get the game done. Like game 30 after that, or game in 1 hour. So the games could go very, very long. But no increment. "17 years ago, you were 7 years old." Dude, I was 7 years old one time, too. It's a little bit longer. A little bit longer, man. I am getting hungry, bro. Dude, my favorite boots, the heels, the rubber has gone completely off the heels, and now it's like on plastic. And I love the boots. But sometimes, depending on the surface, I'll go to a place, say the supermarket, and I'll feel my heel slip a little bit. You can't wear slippery shoes, not at my age, right? So I can't wear my favorite boots. I need to find something. I bet you can get something on Amazon. But I gotta have the right kind of glue, man. I mean, it's gonna be on my heel. Find a cobbler, dude. There, in this small town where I live, there's just like, there was a guy they said that would resole boots. Oh wait, I made too many moves, guys. Let me refresh this. Sorry, the game is moving by far. Okay, now it's a matter of Tempe. It's White's move. Here, push. No. And he become push, and it's his move again. So I think Black's winning. Is Black winning? Well, There. Oh, and then king, but when he pushes, I think he's just losing. I think black's winning. I'm telling you, Kirby is just too strong. I can't wear my favorite boots, and all issues with them are actually about a woman. Let me show you. It's like there was rubber there, guys. Like there's little hollow spots. This is just like hard plastic. I think. Yeah, it's hard plastic. There was a rubber coating on it. And dude, these boots, let me tell you about these boots. There's a place in Austin called Cavender. And that's where you go to get a nice cowboy hat, some western wear. And Courtney said, I'm going to buy you some boots for your birthday. And this was pretty early in our relationship. Maybe my first birthday since we started dating. First or second. It was early. So it was like 10 years ago. And I wanted pointy. And this is the pointiest boot they had in the whole store. I could have gone pointier. Now, like the tips on these, look at the tip on that one. It's got like it's got a thin, but look at the shape of these boots. Look at the shape of these boots. Look at the shape of that. These are the coolest boots, and it's got this really cool design on it. It's like raised, embroidered in there. These are great boots. My girlfriend found these for me at a used thrift store, and I wear a size 13. I have huge feet, and these were the right size. And she got them for something stupid like $20 or something. It was like upscale resale. So when I went to get these boots, the ones that she was going to buy me, they said, because they were also they were pointiest ones they had. I wanted them pointy like Motley Crue pointy, okay? But these are pointy enough. I love these boots, but these were like the cheap ones. He found the best chance, but now it's over. Because this king just runs back. And the white king can be here all day long. I mean, I guess it can go this way. Wow. Can you get in a square? He can get in the square. Yeah. So the guy said, because they were also the cheapest boots. Probably the cheapest ones there. And the guy's like, these are pretty inexpensive boots. He said, they're probably not going to last you very long. I said, it's show business. The only thing that matters is how it looks. I said, if I love these boots. If they fall apart in 4 years, I'll just come buy another pair. He said, all right, good. They're actually really dirty, too. They're not very shiny. They look way better than this. They look shiny like that when they're clean. So, they've lasted forever. And the only thing gone, the only thing is the bottom is going away because I just wear the hell out of them. And I just love these boots. There was a guy supposed to be in a nearby town that did, that would re-sole boots. I have another pair of boots that's got, that had a hole in the bottom of it. And I think I finally threw them out. They were good boots. What was the name on the name brand on those boots? I can't remember. What did he do? He didn't go stop the pawn? All Black had to do... Are you serious? I think that just steps into the square, right? I have to look at this. I won't be able to sleep tonight. Congratulations, Osler, for first place. Calvin Chambers at 3.5 points for second place. And AFM Kirby for third place. Congratulations, guys. Look. Look. Even here, even in this position, I think you can play, yeah, you play king f4. You don't even take this pawn. Because this right here says game over. Because of the passed pawn. King f4. But even after taking, remember I drew, and he comes here, remember I drew the square, can you get it to it? It's minus, you just come here. You just go stop the pawn. The white king can never do anything to these pawns. Kirby. See what I'm saying? Your king can't escort it. And then, yeah, but he didn't even have to do that. Just this is completely winning for black. You can just play king f4. You don't even take that pawn. You can just come this way. King d3, right? c4, right? Just get in front of it. King e3. Because he can't take this pawn because this one runs. How come it's, yeah, Stockfish is starting to see it now. Yeah, now it sees mate. Now it sees mate. Yeah, king d3 is the best move. And then you can go this way. And here and here. Yeah, g4. g4, exactly. That was... I don't understand how he lost it. Oh, because... Okay, so back here, you take the passer. No? No, it's dc3, bc3, king f4. Is that what happened? He took the passer. Black is still winning. But black can't get in until white... How do you do it? King d6. Oh, he can't. Wow. And if he comes here, you play king e6. This is such a weird endgame, man. Just got free brilliance against Eco Voyager. Dude, are you serious? Good game. Where did I lose it first? I'm not sure. Yeah, you found it was Zugzwing when he had all the locked pawns, so basically tried to play as fast as possible and slipped. Wow. I could tell those boots been around the block. Dude, I'm telling you. I got, my parents bought me a pair of boots for my birthday, like when I was like 21 or something. And I wore those boots all the time. I wore them to work. I wore them to play. I wore them to anything. And when I leave my house, I have some sneakers. I have other boots. I have a pair of work boots. These boots are what I wear. I'm going anywhere. Like, if I was going to... I've worn these boots at Disneyland. I don't be like, oh, I'm going to be walking all day. Let me put sneakers on. These boots are good. I'm good. I'm good. I can walk all day in these boots. There's no shoe I'd rather have my foot for any application. Okay, if I'm playing basketball, which I don't play. So I got to find a guy who could put some new heels on those, or I got to find some rubber. A Gorilla Glue. I might be able to cut some rubber, like matte kind of stuff. Some thick black rubber. Cut it and glue it on there or something. I don't know. Ladies and gentlemen, Charlie's Boots, Doc Bizzle. Guys, what a great tournament. If you guys like what you see, definitely hit the follow button, hit the like button, say goodbye on your way out. Facebook, everything helps. And I am going to have to run to the store, figure out what I'm going to make for dinner, and then I have to start getting my Elden Ring stream ready. What do you do for work? I say at groups, you're looking at it, man. I do I host an open mic on Tuesday nights. I used to play music full time, and that's like the only gig I kept. I stopped doing all the music, and I just do this full time. And there is a very, very, like a small portion of my income comes from my one open mic gig. And then a few times a year, a guy calls me to play guitar with a really cool band. He's a friend, and he's a really good singer, and he has a really good band, and it's a great gig. So I do play occasional music. I basically say that I quit playing music, but I play every Tuesday night. I host an open mic. I get up there and do the first 45 minutes or an hour, just me and the keyboard player. And then I'll play other times throughout the night. And to me, that's a gig. That's playing music. So I do about 5 gigs a month. And I consider myself someone who doesn't play music. Isn't that crazy? I get paid to play music 5 times a month. And that's like, I quit. I quit playing music a long time ago. Because I used to do 5 a week. You know what I mean? Yeah. And I've been really getting back into guitar. I'm working with... is there anyone out there that does like well, I'm gonna do it myself, actually. I've been working with Suno, the artificial intelligence music creator thing that people hate because it's gonna take their jobs and stuff. It's like, hey, I'm a musician, I don't freaking care. To make some backing tracks that I can play lead guitar over. And once I get those done, then I'm gonna be doing some streams. What I really should do is get like 4 songs done, and then every stream I do, allow however long it takes, 15, 20 minutes, and play guitar at the end of every single stream. Every single stream, play guitar. At the end of the chess stream, at the end of the gaming streams. Then I would play guitar way more. The more you play, the better you get, man. You know? How did you calculate it so quickly? The amount of spaces until you can... wait, learning moment. What was the square of the defending king radius? Oh, yeah. I'll show you. But wait. It's on follow right now, so I'm going to teach you this right now, Toasty. You don't know... It's the secret of the square, man. The secret of the square. I'm going to show you right now. It's real easy, okay? It's real easy. Okay, wait. Let me get the board up so you can see it. Play online. Here we go. Okay. Why is it still... I don't want to follow him anymore. I literally just closed my chess.com. How do you... I don't like it, guys. Okay. Play online. I gotta make my camera bigger on that. Okay, good. Okay, we go to learn. No, we go to train analysis. All right. Set a position. Trash the Amigos board. Put a pawn. It's a black pawn, so we'll put it here. We'll put it here. Okay, I'll put a white pawn over here just for fun. Let's put a black king far away from the white pawn. And a white king far away from the black pawn. Okay, now. I mean, you could probably just tell 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, you could tell the black king is too far to stop the white pawn, right? Toasty Cheese It. But here's how you know instantly. You draw a square. And if black can step into the square, then he can stop the pawn. Now that doesn't mean that, you know, in this exact position, the white king can't just shoulder the pawn. But you draw a square. So based on that square, the black king would have to be on one of these squares or closer to stop the pawn. You just draw it. So and let's see it work. Okay, right here, I'm out of the square. If it's white's move, he goes. And the square got smaller, and you can't step in the square. But if it's... Wait, make it a square. If it's black's move, you step in the square, you can stop the pawn. Right? So, go. Draw the square. Is that a square? No, this is a square. Yeah, you got to be sure it's a square. 1, 2. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can't even see my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. There's your square. So you draw your square, and you can do that. Now again, if the black king's over here, well, the square doesn't matter as much because your king's not going to be able to get there, right? Because the king will shoulder it. But all things being equal, yeah, you can just tell. You can just tell from this position. You just draw the square, and then say, I can step into it. And this is huge in calculating, when you trade down to an end game. Can I stop the pawn? And you're still like calculating in your head, trading queens and bishop check and trading the knights and forking the rook, and everything gets traded off. And then you go, oh, I'm not going to be able to stop the pawn. And then you just draw a square and you go, yes, or no. Daniel Todd, how you doing, brother? Missed you last night, man. We had a blast. Learning something new every day. This is pretty big. I never thought of it. Yeah. It's a square, man. It's a magical square. What do you do for work? Yeah. Okay, we'll talk about that. Cod, how you doing, brother? Welcome to the stream. Guys, I gotta go. I gotta go to the store, but then Toasty Cheez-It asked me something, and he's such a great supporter of the stream, I had to take a minute and tell him. Yep. The square. The square. Get the square. I love you guys. No, we can't. Arian, I play viewers tomorrow, 3-minute unrated. Tomorrow at 4 p.m. So, we will see you guys tomorrow. All right? My rating on chess.com right now is, 17 is, whoa. Just trying to meet that. 1716 is my rapid. My bullet is 1674. My blitz is 1524. Should be higher, folks. We got a friend request from Tyler. Tyler, we're now friends on chess.com. That means we take care of each other. We help each other get better at chess. Deal. You're like, I didn't sign up for that, though. All right, guys. Love you guys. Like, follow, comment, subscribe. Here.